Ever tried to make a big purchase only to have your Venmo credit card decline? That frustrating moment when you hit your spending limit can feel like a brick wall. But what if there was a way to knock that wall down? What if you could increase your Venmo credit card limit, giving you more flexibility and power over your finances? The good news is, you can. Unlike some other cards, Venmo has a pretty straightforward process for limit increases. You're not just waiting around hoping they'll decide to give you more. You can actually be proactive. And there are two main ways to do this. The first way is the most common and often the easiest: automatic review. Venmo regularly reviews your account activity to see if you qualify for a higher limit. How do you make sure you look good for this review? It's all about responsible use. Pay your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. That means if your limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. The more consistent and reliable you are with your payments and spending, the more likely Venmo is to see you as a low-risk borrower and increase your limit on their own. But what if you need a higher limit now and can't wait for an automatic review? That brings us to the second method, requesting a manual review. This isn't an option you'll find in the app with a big button that says Increase Limit. Instead, it's a bit more behind the scenes. You'll need to contact Venmo's customer support and ask for a limit increase review. When you do this, be prepared to share some information. They might ask about your income, your spending habits, and your reason for needing the increase. It's important to be polite, clear, and ready to show them why you're a good candidate. Having a history of timely payments and responsible use will be a huge advantage here. Remember, they're not just giving you a higher limit, they're trusting you with more money. So, to sum it up, focus on good financial habits. Pay your balance on time, keep your spending in check, and if you need an increase sooner rather than later, don't hesitate to reach out to their support. Building a good relationship with your card issuer is the key to unlocking more spending power. It's not just about the numbers, it's about showing you're a responsible user. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.